Watch and learn, Wade. Watch and learn. Boom. Right?
Okay.
Boom. Oh, shoot. Red Gamer, thank you for the 100 bits, dude. Oops, my
Okay,
finger
I'm
slipped.
watching.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. Okay, you
Oh,
paying
yeah,
attention,
no, I
Wade?
get it. I get it now. Yeah, no. Okay.
Okay, now
understand.
belt it. Yeah. Boom. Oh wait, no, one more. Oh, okay.
No,
That
that's
works
fine.
too.
Is that working now? It's so hard to tell. They're going really
It
fast.
looks like it, I would
Here, let's
say.
test.
I think
I
it
think
works.
it's working.
What's up, my guys? Hi, Magic. Thank you so much, Red Gaming.
I'm
Let's
trapped.
go. Thank you for another 100 bits, dude.
So yeah, it
you,
looks like
you
it
lost
works.
almost 100 health from that. That's a lot of health you almost lost there. You could have died, man.
I could have died.
Thank you so much, Red Gaming. Guys, everybody does please. Oh my god, thank you for the gifted sub too? Holy moly.
So I'm noticing
Everybody
this isn't an
does.
Iron Maker. Why are there so many wheels?
Because it will be an Iron Maker.
How?
What do you mean, how?
What are you putting in here to turn into iron? Oh, right. Okay. No, I get it. You want me to go make you an encased iron fan?
Yes, please. Thank you so much, though, Red Gaming. I really do appreciate that.
Oh.
Oh, that's no good, Magic. Carl left.
Oh, I didn't even know he was on.
Oh no.
This Angel just came to say hi. Hello. Oh, Groovy Brawler, aka Angel. Thank you for the follow.
It'll just be a second, and I'll be back with.
Also, Hale. That's true. Hi, Hale.
Hail Bale?
Dale Bale brings the. Oh. We love Dale.
Okay, so I can definitely speed up this fan if I want.
What are you talking about? Finally. Hey, I've been trying my best. I'm just not good with names and stuff. I'm not good with anything that requires me to use my brain, like memorizations. That's something that I struggle with significantly.